Hello and welcome to Pitaya channel. In this video, I will show you my way of solving the bonus 1, 2, and 3 of this case. Let's start. Now at the bonus 1, the question is, if each close friendship counts as 3 normal friendships, who has the most friendships? So firstly, I would create the friendship points first. I'm going to the network tab. At the BA column, I will use the switch formula to interpret this symbol into the number. Switch, the expression would be C2 to AZ2, and the value 1, if it is BB9, I would assign the value as 1. And the next parameter, if it is like BB10, which is close friend, I would assign the value as 3. For the other of these two, I would assign 0. Like this, and I would use the sum for this. Okay, so this is the friendship point. And I would just copy down. Okay, so to find who has the most friendships, I will use the sort by. I will sort the row header or the name here, the BB2 to BB51, by BA column at the descending order, and I would take only the first row. So I've got the answer for bonus 1, which is Kara. Let's continue to the bonus 2. The question is, which person would have their post seen by the least people? So I recommend you to watch my video of level 5, because I will just copy the model for level 5 to do this bonus 2. So here's the posting model I use in the level 5. I will copy this sheet to create the bonus 2. And I will change the input cell from game number to the poster. So this one, from the formula, I need to copy and paste values. And for the game number, you can just like take it away. Okay, and also the data table here, I will change from the number to the name. So I would remove the data table first and would change the value in C10 to all the name in network tab or the RR, right? And I will create a data table. Select from C9 to D59. Go to the data menu, what if analysis, and the data table. For the column input cell, I will set to D5, which is the poster name. And after that, click OK and press F9 to let it calculate. Okay. So now this table is presenting the posting of every name. And to answer this question, I've go back to the first sheet. At cell E29, I will use the sort. Go to the bonus 2 tab, C10 to D59, and sort index is the 2 because I will sort by the second column, and the sort order would be descending because I want to find the least value. Okay, go back to this and I will use the take function, take comma 1 to get just one row and another comma 1 to get the first column. I've got the answer. It is Rebecca and it is correct. Let's continue to the bonus 3. The question is, how many distinct triangles of friends are there in the network? 3 different friends are a triangle if they are all friends with each other. Okay, let's start. Here is the triangle model. In order to find the triangle, firstly, for the level 1 name will be input in the D4 cell, and the first step is to find the friends of this guy, or I call it level 1's friends, or they are level 2. And after that, I also need to find level 2's friend. The level 2's friends I will change from row to column so I can show all of them. I don't need to put into and like the formula or what, I can show it out. And level 2's friend I will call them level 3. And to count the number of triangles, I have to count the number of L2's friends who are also L1's friends, right? Okay, let's find the level 1's friends first. So I will filter the row header or RR or the name with the friendship status of this guy, the level 1. So how to find the friendship status of level 1? I also need to use another filter. I will filter the network table, filter only the column header is equal to level 1 name, which is at D4, and in the first formula, filter RR by the network status not equal to 0. Like this, I will get the level 1's friends here. Therefore, I can just use the same formula to find the friends of Betty. So I need to change the formula from D4. I need to change the input from D4 to H11, and also I need to change from column to row. I will just use the transpose formula. Yep, I will just copy down from I11 to I25. The reason that I create only 15 rows, because in the network tab you can see that each of them wouldn't have more than 15 friends, like this. So the maximum number of friends is 15. So there would be some errors if there is no name in column H. I need to add if error function. If error, I will just put on the zero length string, and I copy the same formula from I11 all the way to I25. Okay, and now I will calculate the number of L2's friends who are also L1's friend. I need to look if all the L2's friends here have any friends here. I will use the egg match. And its number of X match of the L2's friends, which is the I11 to W11. But this is the dynamic. I can also use like I sharp to, and the lookup array would be the S sharp. So I will get all the lists that whether it is have or don't have, and I will just sum, put the double minus to turn the true false to number and sum it. And just copy from F11 to F25. This one is wrong. And at the H11 here, I need to lock the row as well. So the triangle count for Aaron will be sum at D5 is sum F11 to F25, like this. Then I will set the data table with all the name here, and the formula at D10 is equal to D5. Okay, select C10 to D60, go to data tab and what if analysis data table. The column input cell will be D4, this is name, and press F9. So these are the number of triangle for each name. The total triangle with duplication is the sum of D11 to D60. Why I say with duplication? Let's look at the right hand side here. Let's say A is Aaron, so he has this one triangle ABC can have another 5 forms of it. So one person can have in total of 6 forms of triangle. Therefore, the 642 is duplicated by like 6 times. So to answer the questions of bonus 3 would be equal to the number of total triangle with duplication divided by 6. Okay, I've got the correct answer of 107. Okay, that's all for the bonus questions. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Okay, bye bye.